Hi, I'm Dr. Ford, and I'm in the middle of teaching classes on sports nutrition and exercise physiology. And there are themes that are coming up that I wanted to share here. A lot of the themes are, what are we focusing on? Are we focused on recovery? Are we focusing on the performance? Are we focusing on hormones? What are we talking about? Because a lot of times people will ask these big questions with a lot of layers. And you want to say, okay, I hear what you're saying, but what are you wanting the goal to be? And let's talk about it. Let's talk that out. Because a lot of times people say, well, I don't know. And you're like, okay, well, if you did know, what would it be? And you just kind of have to talk through it, fumble through it, and try to understand, what am I wanting with asking this question in regards to my health? Am I wanting to feel more rested? Am I wanting to feel more energetic? Am I wanting to be faster? If I'm wanting to be stronger? So those are feelings that we experience. How am I going to measure that? Is that by a lift? Is that by exercise sessions per week? Is that by your body weight? How am I going to measure what I'm trying to feel? So 2 questions that I love is, okay, what are you wanting to feel with that goal? And what are you wanting to have with that goal? I want to feel strong. I want to have, a gold medal. Okay, well then let's break down what that looks like. And so a lot of what I'm doing is goal setting, but then understanding where that goal is coming from, seeing if there's any mental blocks, what's driving me, is it obligation, is it inspiration, and then taking it slow. And a lot of times we can't do this ourselves because we have tics or trauma or just different things that are in our way that we think are reality. But if we have a mentor or someone that's paying attention to us in a very safe, trusted way, they'll understand, hey, this is actually not you showing up. This is something else that's driving you. Tell me about that. So anyway, so teaching this class has really helped fuel my practice of, hey, there's a lot of science here, but I want to look at how the science is coming true in your life. And what does that feel like for you? Hope that helps.